good morning everyone. So you all are fine? Well, great. And I suppose that you all have taken your seats properly. You all are sitting on your chair and table and then ready to begin with our today's class. Very good. So let's start with our class today. So class today is Monday. Yes, the first day of our class for this week. Now, can anyone tell me what is the date today? Yes, can you see there is some change here? 2nd November 2020. So today is the date 2nd November. Yes, last class तक तो हम बोल रहे थे October. Now it's November because October month जो था वो finish हो गया है, complete हो गया है, and today is the 2nd day of November month. Clear? So today is 2nd November 2020 and the day is Monday. So today is Monday and what we are going to do? We are going to practice, or you can say we are going to revise a topic that we have already done. What is that? Count and write. So I have already taught you how you can count the given objects and you have to write the number. Count and write किया. Then similarly we have also done count and circle, जिसमें हम objects को count करते हैं और जो correct number होता है we circle that. We have done count and match also. First group के numbers को count करेंगे, then column B में जो है उनको count करेंगे, and those which are similar we are going to do the matching work of them. These are the different ways of count and write that we have done, isn't it? So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to revise it once again. Understood everyone? So I know it's very easy for you all, but you have to look at the board carefully while we are doing this work. And after that I'll tell you where and what work to be done. But first look at the board carefully everyone. Clear? So the topic is count and write. So now can anyone tell me the meaning once again? What is count and write? So as it itself says, first हमें क्या करना है? First we have to count. Clear? तो ये जो objects मैम ने draw किए हैं, I have drawn different objects here. First you have to count them, and after counting whatever number comes, we are going to write those numbers here in the space given. We all are having one square for writing that number. Clear? Very good. So let us start counting the objects. So what is this? These are lollipops. Yes. So start counting these lollipops with me. Now when we are going to count, what I'll do, I'll take them when I'm counting them, ताकि हमें पता लगे कि हमने कौन-कौन सा count करा. But when I am putting a tick, counting stop नहीं करनी है. ठीक है, counting भी revise हो रही है ना इसके साथ हमारी. Counting आप stop नहीं करोगे. अगर counting stop करो और tick लग गया, वहीं पे गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. Okay? Let's begin with that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7, isn't it? What we will do? We are going to write 7 here. You want to cross check once again? Again we are going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got our answer 7 here. Understood how you are going to do it? I know I have already told you, but this is the revision I am taking because many students are not able to do it correctly. वो गड़बड़ क्या हो रही है? When you are counting the objects, आप भूल जाते हो कि कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट काउंट कर चुके हैं, है ना? अब आप ऐसे काउंट करते हो ना, like if we have leaves here, 1, 2, 3. अब यहाँ पे तो गड़बड़ हो गई. We have so many leaves here. So whenever you are counting any object, either put a tick mark. अगर स्पेस कम है ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में तो आप टिक लगाइए. जब आप एक बॉक्स में पिक्चर्स बना रहे हैं तो उसके बीच में आप थोड़ा स्पेस ज्यादा डालिए सो दैट दे कैन बी ड्रॉन एट अ डिस्टेंस, फिर प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। बट इफ इट इज लाइक दिस, स्पेस लेस है, पिक्चर्स ज्यादा है, तो यू कैन डू इट दिस वे, यू कैन पुट अ टिक मार्क ऑन दैट ऑब्जेक्ट जो हमने काउंट कर लिया। Understood everyone? Now moving to the next. So what we have is two roses. We have rows. So how many we have? 1, 2. अब इसमें हमने मिस्टेक नहीं की because हमने इनको थोड़ा दूर दूर बनाया और ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी कम है, isn't it? So we have 1, 2. Two objects we have. So we are going to write 2 here. Understood? Okay. Next we have is tree. 1, 2, 3. So how many trees we have? 1, 2, 3. Clear? So what I'll do, I'll write 3 here. Understood that? Next, now see we have pictures that are very close. ये जो chocolate bars हमने बनाए, ये chocolate bar बहुत close है. So again we are going to put a tick here. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So we will write 5. Understood? Next, what is the next we have here? We have balloons. Yes. So let us see how many balloons we have now. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many balloons we have? We have 6 balloons. Yes. So I'll write 6 here. When you are doing this work like this, when you are doing it in the way जब आप टिक लगा रहे हो, so you have to remember counting को correct order में बोलना है. आप बोलोगे 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 तो फिर गलती हो जाएगी, isn't it? So you have to be very thorough with your countings. आपको countings बहुत अच्छे से thoroughly आनी है. Revise it orally every day. Every day you have to revise your counting, as well as practice your numbers writing also. As you all know, we have completed our numbers from 1 to 40. So you have to practice writing numbers from 1 to 40. And oral, today I am going to take your oral counting till 70. So you have to keep revising your oral counting also. After this, we'll do oral counting once again. Clear? Okay. Now comes is leaf. Now comes is leaves. So let us count how many leaves we have. Now you have to be very careful. Clear? You have to be very careful while you are counting these leaves. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got our answer 9. Clear everyone? Now next we have is, what is this? It's a sun. Yes. So how many we have? Only one. Sun is 1. Sky में भी हमें 1 ही sun दिखता है. So we have sun here only 1. So we are going to write 1 like this. Understood? Okay. Now I have some which shape? Triangle shapes here. So let us count how many triangle shapes we have. कुछ उल्टे हैं, कुछ सीधे हैं. So but they all are triangle shapes. Clear? So let us count them all now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going to write 7 here. Clear everyone? Okay. Now comes your work in the book. So class, in the book you have to do work on page number 78 and 79. Let me just first write those page numbers. So book page number 78 as your classwork and 79 as your homework. So when you will do these pages in your book, what you have to do, you will find the topic, count and write. Clear? So you have two ways of doing it. If you are comfortable in doing it 1, 2, 3, 4, you can do it that way. If you are comfortable in putting this tick mark, you can do it in the tick mark form also. What the final thing is, आपका answer correct होना चाहिए. Clear? And what you can do best in maths is, आपने एक बार count करा, you have counted once and you have written the number. The best part is you can recheck it. आप दोबारा से भी 2 या बार 2 times, 3 times you can count it and you can check your answer. Is that clear to all? Okay. Now let's see how we are going to do work in the book. After that, after your book work, I will revise our counting. Clear? Now you have to open your maths book, that is your number book, and on page number 78. So I told you page number 78. So when you will open this book, you are going to find the topic numbers from 1 to 9. But what we are going to do here, we are going to practice count and write. Clear? See, as the question says, count and write the numbers of objects in each set. So this is the worksheet for the topic count and write. Clear? So first thing that we are going to do is write today's date. So what is that? 2nd November 2020. Clear? After writing the date, you have to write CW here. Okay? So now let us see, count and write the numbers of objects in each set. तो अब यहाँ पे देखिए, there are a lot of objects given. We have flowers, pencils, then apples, cups, caps, then we have mouse. So what you are going to do, you have to count them and then you have to write them here. Okay, so see, the space is given to write the number also. So let us count and do the work here. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we got here, what should I write? I have to write 7 here. So like this, I'll write 7. Now let's count this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so how many pencils we have? We have 8. Now, next let us count the apples here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many apples we have? 4. Now, next we have is cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many cups we have? We have 9 cups. So I'll write 9 here. Now let us count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number to be written here? क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? We are going to write 5. Like this. Okay, next let us count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many mouse we have? 6. Understood? Okay. Now there is one more thing given to you. Write the missing number. So there are numbers written here. ठीक है, 1 से 9 तक numbers लिखे हैं, but when I was writing these numbers, some numbers were missing, some numbers ran away, भाग गए. Now let us see which are the numbers that we have to write. 1. So this work you will do when you will speak the counting. 1, 2. Yes, we'll write 2. Then 3. Very good. After that 4. What comes after 4? 5. After 5, 6. Very good. After that 7. And after 7 comes 8. Very good. And what comes after 8? 9. So let us count. Let us take our counting once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have written our numbers from 1 to 9. Understood? This is your today's classwork. Now what is your today's homework? On the next page, that is page number 75, you have a similar work. Count and write the number of objects in each set. Then draw a line to connect sets with the same number of objects. I'll just tell you, but first let us write our date and homework. 2nd November 2020, and this is your homework, so you will write HW. अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to count this right here. Count and write तो समझ में आ गया ना? So you are going to count them and write the numbers here. Now what you will do, take your pencil colors and after that you have to match. जैसे अब यहाँ पे we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first write 9. अब यहाँ पे जिसमें भी आपके 9 objects हैं, you have to match them. ठीक है? And for this matching work, what you are going to do, you are going to take your color pencils. Next you have write the missing numbers. See, as we have done in classwork, similarly you have to write missing numbers in homework also here itself. Understood? Both your classwork and homework? Okay. So class, you have understood how you are going to complete your today's classwork and homework? Very good. Complete your work carefully, do it carefully, and please practice your counting properly because many of you are doing wrong formations of number. 8, abhi bhi. Many of you are writing 8 like this. See, many of you are writing like this. This is wrong. I told you. The formation of 8 is like this. Capital H banana aata hai na? So similarly you are going to do it and you will join it. मैम को पता लग जाता है कि how you are doing the number formation. Say how you are writing 9. It is like this. You don't have to stop. You have to continue. Clear? Okay, now let's begin our oral counting once. Clear? So you all will speak with me. आप सबको मेरे साथ oral counting बोलनी है. First I will see a number. जो number मैम बोलेंगे then you will repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. After that, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 40 अगर नंबर लिखा है तो व्हाट डज दैट से? 4 groups of 10 objects. Very good. So after 40 comes 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Very good. Then comes 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Very good. And we have done till 60 earlier also. Now we are going to begin 61. Say with me loudly. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Very good. So this oral counting needs to be revised every day. You have to revise it regularly. अब oral counting ही तो बोलनी है. Why you need to sit and you have to speak? You can play. अब play में भी क्या होता है ना? When you are counting steps, आप count करिए. जब आप stairs climb कर रहे हैं, you can count. You are coming down the stairs, you can again count. If you are walking, count your steps. How many steps you have taken. So like this, you can do your oral counting anytime, anywhere. Clear? अब आप evening में मम्मा के साथ walk कर रहे हैं और you are running. So when you are running, you can count how many steps you have run. This is how you can revise your counting. Okay? Bye for now.